welcome back to SK Lifestyle. Today I'm going to do my first startup of my Blaze 49cc 4-stroke scooter. So I just put some brand new gas in her. I'm going to take a quick second, make sure everything's screwed down tight, and then I'll flip back on the camera and we will start her up and see if she's a pain in the ass or if she's a real gem and starts on the first or second pull. So let's get to it. Alright, so all in all, pretty good. Few adjustments, but nothing crazy. So now let's start her up. And no, I didn't do an oil change. I will do that soon, but I kind of want to just see what it's like right out of the garage after a long winter. So actually, let me not lose those. So let me get her primed up here. See if I remember how to do all this. Alright. Sounds like she wants to start. Wow, look at that. I'll give that a pass. 3 pulls. I said 1 or 2, but I'll take 3. After the long winter, hasn't started up for months. And again, I didn't even do an oil change or anything. I just threw some fresh gas. She still had maybe half a cup of old gas in her. Just fine. So I'm pretty impressed. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Was that pretty good? I think that's why I enjoyed a 4-stroke too. Usually a few less problems. So now to take her for a quick spin, and then I'm gonna go find some hills and do the hill test. Okay, so that was a pretty nice little run right there. Running fine. I got her up to like 23 miles an hour. Like I said on my other videos, check those out. I'll put some of the links up above. But you know, you got to play around with the idle and stuff a little bit in the you know, with the chain and all that to try to get the most out of it, but that's fine for me. I don't really care.